have a tele-evangelist in our midst. We have a man anointed by God who has a heart for his people. And so for that, we are going to propose a toast to more crusades and long life. And so we are going to say 3 hearty cheers and we click our glasses. Hip, 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 hooray! Hip, 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 hooray! Hip, 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 hooray! Congratulations! Congratulations! Thank you, congratulations! 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 Congratulations to our Father. We love and celebrate you. Congratulations to our Father. We love and celebrate you. Congratulations to our Father. Congratulations. Congratulations. We love and celebrate you.